Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish tutoring lesson. In today's video we will be learning how to write and pronounce the numbers between 6,000 and 6,999, or los números del 6,000 al 6,999. Let's begin. As in previous videos, we've learned that the thousands have a prefix already known to them and common between every thousand. In other words, from the prefix we will be using for the numbers between 6,000 and 6,999 are the words 6,000. This will always be in front of the word. So let's begin. I've already written down the prefixes for all the 6,000s. So let's continue and write down the rest of them. The first one is obviously as it is, 6,000. The next one is 6,001, which is 6,001, and it's written UNO. The next one is 6,008, is 6,008, and it's pronounced 6,008. The next one is 6,010, which is pronounced 6,010, 6,010. The next one is 6,017, which is pronounced 6,017. Oh, let me write this down. 17. The next one is 6,024, which is 6,024. 24. The next one is 6,033, which is 6,033. The next one is 6,058, which is pronounced as 6,058. The next one is 6,082, which is pronounced 6,082. The next one is 6,100, which is 6,100. The next one is 6,158, which is pronounced 100,158. 58. The next one is 6,222, which is 6,200. The next one is 346, I'm sorry, it's written 2,346. The next one is 6,489, which is pronounced as 6,489. 489. Alright, let's go to the next page. Next page is 6,566, which is 6,566. The next one is 6,672, which is 600. 6,672. The next one is 6,726, which is 6,726. 726. 26. The next one is 6,000 or 6,893, which is 6,893. 893. The next one is 6,945, which is 6,945. 145. The next one is 6,954, which is 6,954. 954. All right. The final three are 6,980, which is 6,980. 6,980. All right. The next one is 6,998, which is 6,998. 998. And the final one is 6,999, which is 6,999. 999. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this ends this video. Please like this video as well as subscribe to our channel for more video content just like this one. Remember, if you got stuck at any time, please stop and replay this video as many times as you can so that you can understand my pronunciation as well as write down the word in Spanish. All right, we'll see you in the next set of 7,000 to 7,999.